Mesmerizing cascading waters create picture-perfect moments at the stone stairs. Standing on stone stairs, viewing majestic waters is breathtaking. Feast your eyes on the grandeur of the waters. Each moment is pure awe. The cascading waters invites us to refreshingly swim in the heat of the sun. Admiring the stunning cascade of nature from the stone steps. The sound of flowing water is ideal for summer days. Let the fall's inviting allure tempt us for a refreshing swim. Are you looking for an adventure that combines waterfall excitement with natural jacuzzi? Imagine being at the top of a waterfalls, hearing the water flow into pools below. The true magic occurs when you enter the pools below. Immerse yourself in the natural jacuzzi and let it take you on a sensory journey. The bubbling currents induce a feeling, culminating in a sense of serenity near the waterfalls. Let the refreshing mist caress your skin, awakening your senses with every gust of wind. Let us be enticed by the inviting allure of the falls for a refreshing swim. Bring your loved ones to enjoy nature's jacuzzi together. Join us on a journey to waterfalls for unforgettable memories with your family.